You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with long addition. The final result is 110,285,000. Let's solve it step by step. Rewrite the numbers from top to bottom, aligned by their place values. Add up the digits in each column, from right to left. 0 plus 0 plus 0, equals 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0, equals 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0, equals 0. 5 plus 0 plus 0, equals 5. 9 plus 9 plus 0, equals 18. Carry 1 to the hundred thousands place. 1 plus 7 plus 5 plus 9, equals 22. Carry 2 to the millions place. 2 plus 4 plus 9 plus 5, equals 20. Carry 2 to the 10 millions place. 2 plus 9, equals 11. Carry 1 to the 100 millions place. Write 1 in the 100 millions place, and so the final result is 110,285,000.